In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use tables in Excel. To get started, open your worksheet and look for the data range you want to turn into a table. This should be a clean grid of information, with rows and columns already arranged in a simple structure. Before creating the table, make sure your data is organized properly. It helps if each column represents one type of information and each row contains one complete record. This makes the table easier to work with once it is created. Now click any cell inside your data grid. You do not need to highlight the entire range manually. Excel is usually able to detect the full block of connected data for you. This is one of the reasons tables are so useful. They are quick to create and they help keep your information structured. Once you have clicked inside the data, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to create a table. If you prefer using the menu, you can also go to the Home tab and choose Format as Table. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels more comfortable. After that, Excel will open a dialog box showing the range it plans to convert into a table. At this point, take a moment to check that the selected range is correct. If your data includes column titles at the top, make sure the box labeled My Table Has Headers is checked. This is important because it tells Excel to use those top cells as header names for each column, instead of treating them like regular data. If your data does not already have column titles, leave that box unchecked. Excel will then create default header names for the table. Using headers is helpful because it makes sorting, filtering, and managing your data much easier later on. When everything looks correct, click OK. Excel will instantly convert your data into a table. You will notice a new table style applied, and you may also see filter arrows appear in the header row. That tells you the table is active and ready to use. Tables in Excel are useful because they make data easier to read, organize, and update. They also expand automatically when you add new rows or columns next to the table, which can save time and reduce mistakes. That covers everything you need to know.